Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to show your LinkedIn following on your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your LinkedIn following visible to everyone on the platform. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or the word Me. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your LinkedIn preferences. On the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Click on Visibility. This section controls who can see your activity and connections on LinkedIn. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Who can see members you follow. Click on it to open the settings. Here, you'll notice a few choices. To make your following list visible to everyone, select Anyone on LinkedIn. This means that anyone who visits your profile, whether they're connected with you or not, will be able to see the people and companies you follow. After you've made your selection, your changes will be saved automatically. There's no need to click any extra buttons. Now your LinkedIn following is visible to anyone on the platform, just as you intended. This feature is great if you want to showcase your professional interests, highlight thought leaders you admire, or simply be more transparent with your network. Remember, you can always return to these settings and adjust your visibility preferences at any time. That's it. You've now updated your LinkedIn settings to show your following on PC using the latest interface. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials for the latest LinkedIn tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.